Oh, don't do that. Hello, it's me. I'm gonna do a favorites video. I haven't done this since, ow, I feel like I'm getting a pimple right here. I haven't done a favorites video since February for my January favorites, and I've been gone for about 2 months. So this is gonna be just all of my favorites from the time that I was out soul searching, realizing who the bleep I am, and yeah. So the first one that I want to talk about is the Kat Von D 24-hour Super Brow Longwear Pomades. I got bleached and then I got dark brown. I like bleached but not on myself. Oh my god, I just noticed the little skulls on there. Look how freaking cute that is. Like I said, I like bleached but not on myself. Especially with the new technique that I've been using for my eyebrows. I did use it once and me and my boyfriend went out and it was like super cute, but it did look white on me. It might be just because my eyebrows, if I grew out my eyebrows because I shaved them and trimmed them a lot, maybe it would look a little bit better. But with the technique that I use in my eyebrows now, the dark brown like is really good. As far as staying power, I did go out with my boyfriend. We went to go see Deadpool and I did do like a full-on brow. When I got home, it was like 3 in the morning. I was like, I just want to wash my face in the bed. I scrubbed everything, exfoliated everything, and all my makeup was off. Even my Kat Von D tattoo foundation, that was off. The only thing that was still on my face was my eyebrows. But it does stay. Like, Kat Von D was not messing around. Anastasia Beverly Hills Be Shook. I recommend it. The next one's favorite on my list. I feel like I have a lot of favorites and I wrote them down, but now I can't find my notebook. So I don't know what I'm talking about. The next ones that I want to talk about are going to be the Sugarpill High Tea Liquid Lipsticks. I didn't buy Dainty or Trifle, but I just didn't like the swatches. The lightest shade looked very like almost lavender and I was like not down for that. But I did pick up Clink, Crumpet, and Duchess, and I swatched them like a good beauty YouTuber. I did swatch Trinket. As you can see, Trinket is more of a peachy. Clink is more a deeper tone, that's the word. Crumpet is like a straight up terracotta brown and I love that. I've been wearing it every day except for today. I'm wearing Clink. And then the last one is Smeared and is on my Waddle Dee, but that is Duchess and it's more of like, it's like Clink but more of a plum undertone and I really like that. The next favorites that I have, some of my favorites are going to be stuff that I got from DragCon. The first one, you've probably noticed on my hand, and this is a ring. And I went to this girl's booth, okay? I was like, this booth looks super cute. And I go, and I see her, and I recognize her, and we follow each other on Instagram, and I was super excited. I think she follows me on here too. I'm gonna look it up so I'm not wrong. It's t.heart.t. Like, she was just the cutest bean in the universe. She was super nice, and she had a whole bunch of stuff. I went to DragCon super poor, or else I would have bought everything. But I did want to contribute somehow, so I bought this ring for $5 and it's super cute and it's ginormous and I just love it so much. Another thing I bought at DragCon, one of the first things that me and Lauren did was go to the Lit Cosmetics booth. The first one I'm wearing on my eyes today, and it's called You're a Star. They're basically little silvery, rainbowy reflex of stars, glitter. That was grammatically incorrect. The next one that I got is Queen of Hearts. These are basically just pink little shiny hearts and they're so cute. I used them in my last video. And then the last one that I got is Catching Butterflies. And these are pink as well, but they're butterflies. And I'm still trying to think of a look to use these. I don't know what I want to do yet, but I know that when I post it on Instagram, I do want the caption to be that song Butterfly from like the late 90s, early 2000s. Come my lady, come my lady. Next favorite that I have is Space Paste from Lemonhead. It's like invisible and then it comes up with shine and it's lilac reflex, and I've been wanting this glitter for a very long time. They had the smallest booth ever at DragCon, but I bought it. At first the lady messed up and she gave me another one I think it was called like Sex Tape or something. We were walking around and I was like, I don't think that this is right. Like, it doesn't have that effect. I was scared to go back to the booth because she was like, do you want a receipt? And I was like, nah, girl, you good. And then I was like, crap, what if I go back and she's not there? Because she was really tired. I think that's why she messed up. It's like, what if this person doesn't believe me? And at first I didn't see her, and I was telling Lauren, like, I was having a full-on like, Lauren, I'm scared. But she's like, just go. And then we went back, and then she was there luckily, and I was like, girl, you gave me the wrong one. She's like, I'm so sorry. And then she gave me like a small little pouch of their NSFW glitter, which I haven't used yet. I'm waiting for the perfect moment for that one. Last favorites video from January/February. I did say that Arctic Fox is the best pink ever, and I lied. So I recently resubscribed to Overtone, and it's the perfect pink. I don't have to mix it with anything. With Arctic Fox, I mix like 3 different colors. This is just the perfect, and I wash it out, and it's perfect. My hair was green. When my hair was green, I used Overtone, and it worked really well. With pink, it was no different. There's subscriptions, you can subscribe to them, and it's really customizable. For example, I bought a pastel pink deep treatment, pastel pink daily conditioner, and then vibrant pink daily conditioner. So I set up the subscription so I get all 3 of them every 2 months. And then say in 2 months I still have a lot, I could just cancel it for that time, and then I'll get it 2 months after that. So it's super cool. Last couple favorites that I have are pins. Really wouldn't be me if they weren't pins. The first one is from one of my really good friends, Megan, and she's one of my internet friends, and she's so pink, and she's so cute, and she's so talented, and I'll support her until I die. It says, I want to eat everything, which is a big mood. You can get this. This can be yours. Not this exact one, this one's mine. But if you wanted your own, I'll link it down below. The next favorite, which is the last one, is going to be this pin, and I believe it was from yesterday's Co. It's a squirrel framed, and me and Lauren got them before we left DragCon. Yesterday's Co is a really good pin maker, pin company. They have some really cute stuff. All the favorites today, I'll be linking down below. And I'm done. I'm done filming. Go ahead and leave a like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Hopefully it's a beauty one. I kind of want to do more beauty ones. I don't know yet. That's all. Bye.